Introducing the HammerHead driver, a multifunctional screwdriver with circuit sensor. Built-in voltage detection to help keep you safe around electricity.
Nice.
The HammerHead driver's compact lithium-ion battery with LED work light allows you to work faster, longer, and charges with any micro USB cord. Its non-contact live wire detector alerts you to electric currents in outlets, switches, cords and fixtures, while the built-in wire stripper and wire bender save you time and steps too. And with Bit Grip, your screws stay attached so you can work with one hand. HammerHead. Work smarter. Available at Masters.
Introducing Omisonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. Omisonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside Omisonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert Omisonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, Omisonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before Omisonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And Omisonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. Omisonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
With Etekcity's Lasergrip 774, you are able to safely and instantly measure surface temperatures from a distance while still maintaining laser-sharp accuracy. The Lasergrip enables you to measure normal and extreme temperatures from a safe and hazard-free distance, so you never have to risk your own safety. It's designed with smooth ABS plastic for easy and comfortable control with only 3 buttons. The function buttons include temperature selection, laser activation, and display backlight control. To activate the Lasergrip, simply press the measurement trigger and the display will automatically activate. You can also use the laser activation button to turn the guidance laser on or off. A small icon will appear on the display when the laser is set to be active. Press the display backlight button to turn the blue backlight on or off. This feature can be especially helpful when taking measurements in low lit settings. Once you're ready to take a measurement, simply aim the Lasergrip at the direction and spot you want to measure. Press and hold the trigger and the laser will mark the spot of measurement. Notice as you press and hold the trigger, the Lasergrip will display live results. So as you move the laser to different surfaces, the Lasergrip will measure the difference in the temperatures. Once the Lasergrip is on the spot you wish to measure, release the trigger. The digital screen will instantly display and hold the measured temperature until you take another measurement, or until the Lasergrip shuts off after about 15 seconds of inactivity. While the Lasergrip holds the results of your last measurement, you can press the temperature selection button to conveniently convert the results between Fahrenheit and Celsius. If you wish to measure a reflective surface, simply place some masking tape over the surface and wait about 30 minutes for the tape to adjust to the temperature. Then measure the surface covered by the tape. Keep in mind that the 774 has a distance to spot ratio of about 12:1. That means for every 12 inches between the Lasergrip and the point of measurement there is, the measurement spot diameter increases 1 inch. If you're standing 12 inches away from the point of measurement, that's a 1-inch measurement spot radius. At 36 inches away, that's a 3-inch measurement spot radius. At 6 inches away, that's a 1/2-inch measurement spot radius. The Lasergrip 774 is perfect for home and industrial use, making the way you work safer, simpler, and more efficient. Use it to measure temperatures for everyday uses including checking temperatures under the hood of your car, cooking, grilling, checking pool temperatures, water pipes, and ventilation. The Lasergrip 774 simplifies temperature measurement with simple infrared technology and effortless operation.
Due to the AdvancedCut 18 nanoblade saw from Bosch. The patented nanoblade saw blades use a revolving microchain that follows the chainsaw principle. This eliminates the up-down movements that is typical of jigsaws and saber saws, allowing for vibration-free cutting. The chain is automatically tensioned by the SDS system. It is not necessary to sharpen or cool the blades. The blades of the handheld nanoblade saws can be easily exchanged with other nanoblade saw blades. They are quick and easy to change, and it is impossible to insert the saw blades incorrectly. The AdvancedCut 18 nanoblade saw is characterized by its fast and precise sawing, and also makes it easy to carry out plunge and freehand cuts. Straight cuts of up to 65mm can be made effortlessly in wood, plastic and plasterboard. The protective cover, which is attached to the saw blade for transportation, can be easily removed before use and subsequently reattached for safekeeping, which ensures the preservation of the saw blade. The long lifetime of the microchain can be maintained by making a drawing cut. In order to minimize wear to the saw blade, guide the saw continuously through the material without applying firm pressure. The riving knife prevents you from using the tool from the reverse direction. During the sawing process, chips accumulate in the cap. These can be quickly removed by blowing on them briefly. When working on harder materials, the use of a rocking motion helps the progress of the saw, as well as ensuring the long lifetime of its blade. For plunge cutting, the saw should be inserted into the material by positioning and tilting the saw plate. Do not plunge the top of the saw blade forward into the material. The hanger loop also makes it easy to store the AdvancedCut 18 during and after use. Do not wear this loop around your wrist. The rechargeable battery is compatible with all Bosch Home and Garden range tools of the same voltage class. The AdvancedCut 18 is ideal for quick and easy work in and around the house. It is recommended for all straight cuts where a high cutting speed and working time take priority. Now you're ready to have some fun with the AdvancedCut 18 from Bosch.
Preparing a meal takes time, thought, and energy. But no matter how much time I spend planning a meal, I need well-maintained tools in order to cook with integrity. For me, the most important tool is a sharp knife. A sharp knife is important because it will honor the ingredients you are working with, and a sharp knife enhances the quality of the final product you are making. Work Sharp Culinary honors the principles and traditions used to create a sharp knife. Work Sharp Culinary sharpeners use flexible, abrasive belt technology, the same way knives are made. Every Work Sharp Culinary sharpener features built-in angle guides for a perfect, consistent edge every time. Controlled speeds for less material takeoff. Work Sharp Culinary also introduces new innovative features that set them apart, including intelligent programming eliminates the guesswork. Sharpening knowledge is built into the machine. Micro-forge technology creates a longer-lasting, durable edge. The guided ceramic rod included with every sharpener makes it easy to hone and refresh my knife's edge between sharpening. As a home chef and professional caterer, I elevate my own skill and technique with a consistently sharp knife. Work Sharp Culinary has built the skill set into the sharpener, eliminating learning curves and creating more precise results based on traditional practices, so that no matter what I am cutting, I am prepared and the work of my knife is fluid. Work Sharp Culinary provides innovative technology and professional results with a sharpening system you will actually use.